to show you guys all the things that I got from Sephora. Sephora VIB sale happened, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Because a lot of everything that I got is new to me, so I'm really excited about that. Everything is new to me. I haven't had any of these products that I bought. Got me a big bag. So first thing I got was the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Obviously, everybody knows about this. I have not had this before, and I'm super excited to try this out. Like, really excited. I've been into setting sprays lately because, yeah. So this packaging is obviously super cute. I love that. Next, I am trying out the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Matte Setting. I thought this was a primer. I didn't want another spray. I'm gonna have to go exchange this. I wanted the primer. I thought I was getting the primer. This is a setting spray from Milk Makeup. I don't need 3 matte setting sprays, so I'm definitely gonna go and exchange this one for a primer. I need more primer. I should have definitely read a little bit quick. So, anyways, this is a setting spray, but again, I'm gonna go change this for the primer. Next, I'm super excited for this. We are finally trying the Fenty Butter Drop Whole Whipped Oil Body Cream. Y'all, I'm super excited. And I got 2 of them because I already know I'm gonna like it. I tried it in the store. So I got the actual pack, and then I got a refill. The refill, you literally just take it, like, once that is done, this is how it comes. It comes in just like a plastic top, and then this part you put inside of the container. You know, being eco-friendly and all, but I'm super excited for this. I can't wait to like start incorporating this in my body care. So we got 2 of the Fenty Butter Drops. Everybody talks about that. Staying with the body care, I got a Josie Maran Sugar and Argan Oil Body Scrub in the scent Vanilla Vibes. This was a little expensive, but it was on sale either way. And I'm super excited to try this out as well. And it came with a little bit of a body butter, just a little tester. So here it is, beautiful packaging. Like, look at that. Your girl is moving up. Like, the content, I hope y'all ready. Everything about me in 2024 is gonna be elevated. It's gonna be simple, elevated, and just really, really like self-care luxury. So I'm super excited to use this. Again, it was kind of expensive, but yeah. And in this package, you can buy the refills and pour it in here as well. You know, everybody's eco-friendly these days, which is not a bad thing. And then they gave me a little body butter to test out. So if I like the scrub, I don't know if I'm gonna get the body butter because I really want to stick to the Fenty body butter, but we will see. So I'm super excited, and that is in the scent Vanilla Vibes. Next, I got a solid lavender silicone scrub mat, a beauty blend from Beauty Blender. It's literally just like a little bar of soap to clean your beauty blenders, and I'm excited to use it because I need to clean my sponges really well and stop using dish soap, even though it works. But I'm excited to try this out. Next, I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. It's a little tiny little box, and it's literally like brow gel in a little container, but it's wax, so it's supposed to give you that really, like, you know, photo shoot type look. And you just stick your spoolie in it, and it comes in this little thing. This was maybe like $14, I think. I'm excited to use this as well because I like when my brows are like sharp looking. Next, I'm gonna be trying out the Sephora Vitamin C Super Glow Serum. I just wanted to pick up something face related, skincare. I love skincare, and I love vitamin C oils. I didn't even see what it looks like, but yeah, this is what it looks like in a glass bottle. I'll be using this in my nighttime routine. Yeah, I'm doing my facials, so next I got a little Touchland sanitizer. Actually, my first time buying one, but I have used these plenty of times. So, and I got mine in Berry Bliss. Oh, I didn't even realize that. I got it because it was pink, but the name of it is Berry Bliss. And the last couple items that I purchased were from Topicals, and I finally got the eye patches. I finally got the eye patches from Topicals, so I'm super excited. I got these, and there's 6 in each box, so I got 12 in total. And then lastly, I got the Topicals Slick Solve Mint Lip Balm. This is like an intensive lip balm for people who have super dry lips and need that, you know, almost like medicated type of feel. I'm gonna use that especially like after a facial when I do like lip scrubs. But yeah, so that is all the things that I got from Sephora. I did get a tiny little bag from my friend. Congrats to you, CC. I got you the same topical eye patches. I know she's gonna like this. And then I got her a Topicals Active Scar Primer. So a primer for, you know, acne and, you know, just to keep that barrier between your skin and the makeup. So those are all the things that I got. I'm super hyped. I'm just gonna go ahead and tidy up my beauty room a little bit, and I'll show you guys like the aftermath. I'm just show you a pan of before, and then I'm gonna come back and show you an after. I need to get rid of the red rug finally because it does not match the aesthetic with the new couch. So I'm gonna get rid of it. Let me go ahead and show you guys what the beauty room is looking like, and then I'm gonna snap my fingers and we're gonna be all ready to call it. All right, so here's the front door. Our door, I have this thing. I had to find a way to jam that so that it can close the door. The door won't actually close. So yeah, here's the mirror. I'm gonna move that eventually. Here's a whole bunch of stuff that needs to get put away. My winter clothes, I need to figure out a way to put that. A box full of my perfume boxes. I'm probably gonna get rid of them finally. This painting is gonna be going above the couch. So when my husband gets a chance, he's gonna do that for me. Over there are my BerryFae beauty robes. I have my plant. I love the aesthetic of this. I'm gonna put the plant on top, and then I just bought some sconces from Shein that's gonna go on top of there. Here's one of my perfume racks, makeup vanity, another perfume rack, and then my heels display. So yeah, we have the red rug that I need to go ahead and clean and put on Marketplace. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And then just, yeah, clean all that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. I don't wanna bore you guys, so you'll just see the aftermath. Hi y'all, so I'm gonna show you guys really quick some of the things that I got from Shein. It finally came in today. And I believe these are the curtains. I think these are gonna go in our bedrooms. So these are the curtains, a nice natural color. I love natural colors for the bedroom because you can add different pops. So all the dimensions and everything will be with the link. So these are the curtains. Okay, they look good. Nice material. It literally matches the bed perfectly. So I'm super excited about that. Out, and I believe I got curtain clips as well. Ooh, they look so nice. They're not super thin. You can see through them, but not too much. And they are super long, which is exactly what I wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put these up. So here are the clips that I decided to get. They're a nice bronzy color. And here are some more curtains. These are what? Oh, these are my wall sconces. More clips. These are what the curtain rings look like. These are super cute. We're definitely gonna put them up. I like it. All right, so this is what they look like on the rod with the clips. So cute. I absolutely love them. Like, Shein, thank you. These are just so cute. I haven't mastered the pleating yet, but it's good for now. I just wanna put it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it up. It's so cute. Oh, let's see the length check. Oh, perfect. Just perfectly about to touch the ground. Just perfect. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this window next. So here are some more curtains from Shein. These are gonna be for the living room. I got a 3-pack of these, and each pack comes with 2 panels. This time we will not be doing the hooks for these curtains because of the way the back looks. So let's go ahead and put it on. Little Shein curtains, y'all. Don't sleep on Shein for your home decor, okay? Period. Look at that quality. These probably look like the exact same ones you would get on Amazon. The ones on Amazon were like 3 times more. Something told me to just check Shein, so that's what I did. This is what it's giving. Super cute. I'm gonna do the bunched up look. Kind of give pleated, but not really. But yeah. Come on, House to Home series. So it still gives the pleated look for the low. Let's go ahead and put it on.